In this video, we're going to learn and visualize simple addition facts like 5 plus 3 equals 8 and several other examples using clear diagrams and step-by-step English explanations. Here are the addition facts we'll explore visually. We'll show diagrams, a quick verbal explanation, and the final sum for each. Example 1. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Let's show this with counters. First, 5 red counters, then 3 blue counters. Move the blue counters and join them to the red. Count them all together, and you get 8. So 5 plus 3 is 8. Example 2, 12 plus 5 equals 17. We represent 12 as a 10 block plus 2 single units. Then add 5 more single units. Combine the units, 2 plus 5 is 7, and keep the 10 block, so 10 plus 7 equals 17. Example 3 is the one where we do column addition and demonstrate carrying. 15 plus 18 equals 33. We'll add the ones column first. 5 plus 8 equals 13. Write down 3 and carry 1 to the tens. Then add the tens. 1 plus the carried 1 equals 3. So the total becomes 33. Now, let's quickly visualize the remaining sums by showing 10 blocks for tens and single units for ones. We'll do 62 plus 21, 92 plus 6, and 32 plus 23. Summary and tips. When adding, identify tens and ones, use 10 blocks to keep tens together. Add ones first, carry if necessary. Then add tens. Practice these visuals, and the arithmetic will be much easier and less error-prone. Great job! If you'd like, I can make practice problems or a printable worksheet that uses these same visual methods. Tell me which you prefer next.